Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the health advice out there? One minute you read something is good for you, the next minute it's bad. It can be confusing, right? Well, you've come to the right place. Our mission here is simple: to cut through the noise and give you clear, reliable, and easy-to-understand health information. We're here to empower you to take control of your well-being, one simple step at a time. Think of us as your friendly guide on your journey to a healthier, happier life. Let's start with something many of us deal with: high blood pressure. You've probably heard the term, the silent killer, and that's because it often has no symptoms. But what is it really? Imagine your blood vessels are like hoses. Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of those hoses. When that pressure is consistently too high, it puts extra strain on your heart and arteries. Over time, this can lead to serious problems like heart disease and stroke. The good news is, it's manageable. Simple lifestyle changes like reducing salt, eating more fruits and vegetables, and getting regular exercise can make a huge difference. We'll dive deeper into specific action plans in future videos, but just knowing what it is the first powerful step. Now let's talk about another common condition: type 2 diabetes. This happens when your body doesn't use insulin properly. Insulin is a hormone that helps move sugar from your blood into your cells for energy. When this process doesn't work right, sugar builds up in your blood. You might feel tired, thirsty, or need to use the bathroom a lot. Again, it sounds scary, but it's a condition you can manage and even improve with the right approach. Diet and exercise are your superpowers here. Cutting back on sugary drinks and processed foods while adding more whole grains and lean proteins can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. It's not about deprivation. It's about making smarter, more satisfying choices. Of course, we can't talk about health without mentioning our heart. Heart disease is a broad term for a range of conditions that affect your heart. Think of it like this: your heart is the engine of your body, and the blood vessels are the fuel lines. Things like high cholesterol and high blood pressure can clog up those fuel lines, making the engine work harder and less efficiently. The best way to care for your heart? Think of it like maintaining a car. It needs good fuel, which is a heart-healthy diet, rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. And it needs to be run regularly, which means consistent physical activity. Even a brisk 30-minute walk most days of the week can significantly improve your heart health. As we get older, many of us start to feel a few more creaks and groans, especially in our joints. Joint problems, like arthritis, can cause pain and stiffness, making it harder to do the things we love. Your joints are cushioned by cartilage, which acts like a shock absorber. Over time, this cartilage can wear down, but being inactive can actually make it worse. Gentle movement helps to lubricate the joints and strengthen the muscles that support them. Activities like swimming, cycling, and yoga are fantastic because they're low impact, meaning they don't put a lot of stress on your joints. Staying at a healthy weight also takes a huge load off your knees and hips. And what about sleep? It's not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. Poor sleep can affect everything from your mood and concentration to your immune system and your risk of chronic disease. Many of us struggle with sleep disorders like insomnia. The key is to create a solid sleep routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep, cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Instead, try reading a book or practicing some gentle stretches to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Now, we've talked a lot about conditions, but how do we build a foundation of good health? It all starts with a balanced diet. But what does balanced even mean? It's not about a fad diet, it's about a lifestyle. Think of your plate as a canvas. Aim to fill half of it with colorful fruits and vegetables. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A quarter of your plate should be lean protein, like chicken, fish, beans, or tofu, which helps build and repair tissues. And the last quarter should be whole grains, like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread, which provide sustained energy. Don't forget healthy fats, found in things like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They're essential for brain health and a lot more. The great thing is, this is adaptable. your needs change as you age, or if you have a specific health condition, and we'll explore those tailored plans in our upcoming videos. Let's pair that great diet with some movement. You don't have to become a marathon runner to be healthy. The goal is to find an activity you genuinely enjoy. Maybe it's dancing in your living room, gardening, or taking a scenic hike. We'll be sharing simple exercises you can do at home, with no fancy equipment needed. Think bodyweight squats, gentle stretches, and core strengthening moves. We'll also guide you through some beginner-friendly yoga routines. Yoga is amazing because it not only improves flexibility and strength, but also connects your mind and body, helping to reduce stress. And speaking of stress, we can't forget mental well-being. We'll introduce you to simple meditation and mindfulness practices. Even just 5 minutes of focused breathing can calm your nervous system and bring a sense of peace to your day. It's about building a toolbox of practices that support both your physical and mental health. Finally, a quick but very important note on medications and supplements. They can be incredibly helpful when used correctly, but it's crucial to be informed. Always follow your doctor's instructions for any prescription medication. Never change your dose or stop taking it without consulting them first. When it comes to dietary supplements, like vitamins or herbal remedies, remember that natural doesn't always mean safe. They can interact with your medications or have side effects. It is always best to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before starting any new supplement to make sure it's right for you and won't cause any harm. Our goal is to help you use these tools safely and effectively, avoiding misuse and getting the most benefit from them. Wow, we've covered a lot today, from understanding common health conditions to building a foundation of wellness through diet, exercise, and mindfulness. I hope you're feeling inspired and empowered. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Our channel is here to support you every step of the way with clear, simple, and actionable advice. We have so much more to share with you in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on our future content. Hit that notification bell too. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below with any questions you have or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.